Hey YouTube, welcome back to Zittle Farms YouTube channel. Today's video, we're going to be replacing the roof on this shed. As you can see, it's pretty wore out. We're here at the beach, Chicoteague Island here in Virginia at my mother-in-law's house. And this shed's probably been here for 20 years or so. So this weekend's project is to replace that. I hope you guys enjoy. And if you learn a thing or two, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe please. Almost at 1,000. That's my big goal. Now let's get started. Hey guys, as you can see, we're almost done here. I picked this tool up at Lowe's for 30 bucks. Definitely worth the investment. Makes easy work of taking these old shingles off. So when you start to lay your shingles, you're going to need this sticky stuff on the bottom of the first row. So we're going to cut these 3 tabs off, put this first, then when your next row goes on top, it has something to stick to. So let's cut the tabs off and then get these ones up first, and then we can start laying the roof. All right, once we cut the tabs off, we're gonna come here, put the gluey, sticky stuff on the lower part. Line this up with your drip guard here, and hammer away. All right, now our first layer then comes right to the drip edge. Got extra glue there, and these shingles actually show you have a area where to nail it in. So you want to nail it between these 2 lines. You want to go below because that's where water is. Too high, it's a little more thin. This is where you want to be. So as I started doing this, I realized I should have 4 nails per shingle, and they have a layout pattern here as well to measure so that they line up correctly. So it's looking there. Looks all right, but let's do what they recommend. So let's start with their layout now. Full sheet, and then I cut one 6 inches, 11, and 17, and we'll see how that turns out. So now that I'm looking at it, the way they do it, you do a full sheet, then cut 6 inches off on the 1, 11, and 17. You can put 1, 2, 3, 4. You can put all 4 up and then get those nailed down. And then you can do 4 at a time so you don't have to keep moving the ladder. Let's see how that works out better. Shingles messed up. Tuck under there. All right, so the front side is done. Back side needs one more row. As you can see here, we put this one on over top of the front. The wind comes up off the water, and this could lift up a little more. We are still gonna put shingles on the top, but I do wanna tuck this underneath so that then this one goes over top, and it's better, and I think it'll last longer going that way. So let's get this last row up, tucked underneath the front side, and then we can put the top on. Okay, I measured from the top, and we need at least 12 inches along the top. So that's good because our shingles here are 39 inches long. So I'm just gonna cut this into 3s so we have less scrap. If you look at the template, I do cut the sides off, so whenever they bend, that the sides don't, sometimes it's not cut perfectly. So once it's like that, this will tuck underneath the other one. So I cut the little triangles off. Alright, so now that we're here up at the peak, it's just something like that. You just want to make sure it covers over. You're going to put your 2 nails in and then just work your way down. All right, well, the roof is done here now. Took me about 8 to 9 hours or so to complete this task. Hope you guys learned a thing or two. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on the next one.